After years of dreaming, planning, and iterating, our first bag is finally here. My name is Todd Balsley, and I'm the founder of Clever Supply. I've been a photographer for 15 years, and over the last 6 years, been making the highest quality camera straps for photographers. We combine great hardware with heritage materials to make a product that we love and got us using our cameras more. Now it's time to apply that same ethos to our next product. This is the Camera Sling by Clever Supply. We chose to make a shoulder bag to utilize the workstation-like feel. It's a 6-liter bag, which is perfect for small to medium camera kits. Any bigger, and it becomes cumbersome to carry around. It's ruggedly built with weather-resistant canvas, leather, and weatherproof zippers. It has an easily adjustable and comfortable shoulder strap. There are 2 included clever dividers for organizing your gear with room for up to 8 SD cards. 3 interior pockets and 1 hidden exterior pocket for additional organization and accessory storage. A tablet sleeve fitting up to 11 inches. And lastly, 3 grab handles for easy single-handed carry at any time. I mean, that felt badass. Nailed it! That felt great. What started in a single car garage has now grown into something way bigger than I ever imagined. Regardless of the product, our purpose is to serve the photographer. This bag is the next iteration of that desire and purpose. And to say thanks, we're offering an exclusive Kickstarter discount to help you save on our first edition camera slings.
All right, cut! Nice job, dude. Awesome.
Thanks, man. Was that okay?
All right, you ready for a Polaroid?
Oh, yep. As the world becomes more obsessed with the latest tech, there's an underlying desire to cherish something timeless. Our bag aims to blend the two, combining innovative design with quality heritage materials that will last generations. Okay, the truth is, I don't know if there is a perfect bag. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say that on Kickstarter, but it's the truth. And we just decided to make the bag that we wanted for ourselves, and also a bag that doesn't exist yet. And that's a shoulder bag that's comfortable, functional, tech-focused, yet most importantly, well-built with timeless materials. When your grandkids dig through your attic looking for cameras, we hope they find this bag also. Dirty, aged, yet fully functional. Thanks so much, Kickstarter. We really appreciate your support. As a small made-to-order business, we really need your help bringing this project across the finish line. We actually have our first order already in, and it's on its way. And now we just need your help with that final push to bring these bags to market. We're so excited about this project, and we hope you are too. If you are, please consider backing the campaign, and thanks so much.
All right, we're good. Nice job, dude.
Whew.